breakfast. Have your breakfast. Read the book. Go through the book. Don't argue with me. Stop arguing with me. Don't lie. Tell the truth. Turn on the lights. Switch on the lights. I am very busy today. I am swamped today. Buy some groceries. Get some groceries. I agree. I concur. Don't worry about me. No need to worry about me. Talk politely. Speak respectfully. Move aside. Step aside. Answer the phone. Pick up the phone. Turn the page. Flip the page. Catch the bus. Board the bus. Take the bus. Set the alarm. Schedule the alarm. Brush your hair. Comb your hair. I am grateful. I am thankful. Tie your shoelaces. Secure your shoelaces. Plan your day. Organize your day. Be ready. Be prepared. Follow the rules. Abide by the rules. Check the time. Verify the current time. Start the car. Ignite the car. Pack your bags. Get your bags ready. Boil the water. Heat the water until it boils. Clean the windows. Wipe the windows. Take a photo. Capture an image. Review your notes. Go over your notes. Tell them. Inform them. I agree. I am in agreement. Drive slowly. Maintain a slow speed. Nowhere. In no location. Enquire with him. Ask him. I admitted. I confessed. Not yet. As of now, no. It's me. This is me. Let it be. Allow it to happen. Carry on. Proceed with your task. I am angry. I feel frustrated. I heard. I listened. Never forget. Do not forget. Do your work. Complete your task. Inform me. Update me. Notify me. Hold on. Wait a moment. Come soon. Arrive quickly. Get here promptly. Don't talk nonsense. Don't speak foolishly. I know you. I am familiar with you. I recognize you. Talk to you later. I will speak to you soon. Catch you later. Trust me. Have faith in me. I am happy. I am pleased. Who is that? Who is this person? I'm feeling tired. I'm quite exhausted. I forgot my keys. I left my keys behind. I need a break. I need some time off. I'm feeling cold. I'm freezing. I am on my way. I'm coming over. I have to go now. I must leave now. I don't know. I'm not sure. I will think about it. I will consider it. That makes sense. I understand that. Help me. Assist me. Nice try. Well attempted. That's funny. That's amusing. I am busy. I am occupied. I appreciate your help. Thank you for your assistance. The meeting was productive. The meeting went well. Let's get started. Shall we start? Can I borrow your pen? May I use your pen? I like your dress. Your dress looks good. Let's meet tomorrow. Shall we catch up tomorrow? Over there, in that place. Take care of this. Deal with this. Everything should be okay. Should be fine. Put on the shirt. Please wear the shirt. Never. Absolutely not. We are happy. We are delighted.